Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to access spam folder on iPhone, then this video is for you. You can find spam folder in two sections, in two applications. One is your mail, which is your default mail application on your iOS device, and another is Gmail, which is default mailing application offered by Google. Now in mail, if you open it, you may find this type of interface. Then you just need to tap on this mailbox, and from here you'll find some categories, and from here you have to click on junk, where you will find all the spam mail or spam medias that are sent to your account, and you will find all the spams listed in this section. You can also find some spam mails in your trash section. Here it is. You just need to simply click on trash, and where you will find all the spams. And again, in Gmail you can find spams also. From here you just need to tap on this three-line button at the top left corner, and then scroll down, and here it is, the spam folder, where you find all the spam mail available on your account are listed in this section. That's how you can find spam folder on iPhone easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.